Can a mysterious Japanese pink salt recipe really help you drop over 50 pounds in just 2 weeks with no exercise, no diet, and just 4 common kitchen ingredients? That's the bold promise being pushed all over the internet right now, and let's be honest, it sounds like pure fantasy. I kept seeing the ads pop up everywhere, claiming it's based on a secret Japanese health hack that's been hidden from the rest of the world. So I finally gave in and decided to investigate. And what I uncovered was both fascinating and a little frustrating. First off, the actual Japanese pink salt they refer to is never clearly defined. Sometimes it's Himalayan pink salt, sometimes it's sea salt mixed with herbs, and other times it's just a fancy label slapped onto a generic product. The 4-ingredient trick they promote turns out to be nothing more than a blend of everyday items you likely already have in your kitchen, none of which have been scientifically proven to cause rapid fat loss. Once you click on the ad, you're funneled through a series of slick sales pages, often featuring fake reviews, exaggerated testimonials, and overly dramatic before and after photos that seem too perfect to be real. And of course, it all leads to a supplement or ebook being sold for a premium price, claiming it can melt fat while you sleep. The more I looked into it, the more it felt like classic internet marketing dressed up as a secret wellness breakthrough. Now, I'm not saying the ingredients are harmful or that everyone promoting it is running a scam, but there's clearly a gap between what's being promised and what's realistically possible. If you're serious about your health and looking for sustainable, long-term weight loss, this is not the magic shortcut it claims to be. You might feel lighter due to water loss or changes in eating habits, but don't expect miracle results. This review dives deep into what's really going on with the Japanese pink salt recipe trend, so you can make an informed decision and avoid falling for weight loss hype that's more smoke and mirrors than science.